Hey guys, you know as well as I do, if you're a male and you've looked at natural testosterone supplement boosters, how expensive they are. They could be $3, $4 a pill. I just made these for pennies, guys. Here's how you can do it. It's bulksupplements.com. Here's the ingredients that I use for mine, and I just copied this off of one that I liked that I used to buy. Be careful with the Ohimbi. Warning, guys. This stuff will fuck you up. And then here's some long jack extract. Throw some L-arginine in there. That opens your blood vessels up. And then here's the size double aught gelatin capsules, 1,000 count. So you'll have to get a milligram-gram scale, which you can get on eBay or Amazon. You can get it for like 10, 12 bucks. And then you just measure it out and then put it in here. And then I'll end up making, this is 25 pills. So this will be probably this little bit, and I still have a ton in each of these bags. I mean, you can see how much is in here, and I hardly used any because that's a mixture of all. And I'll probably make 75 pills from this alone, one or two. I'd take one or two a day. You can see how it's literally pennies, guys, literally pennies to do this. And this is a good way to get your natural testosterone supplement boosters and do it very inexpensively. You can go to bulksupplements.com. It's clean and pure bulk supplements. They're also a sponsor of the ABQ Business Podcast. Let me give you all these ingredients again so you know. There you go. And then the size is double aught. You can get this capsule tray, and that's just, a couple bucks. And then size double aught gelatin capsules. And you can do this for everything. I have it for spirulina powder, when I take glycine for working out, vitamin B12, and then I have L-tryptophan for at nighttime. So I use this. This is mononucleotide, NMN. This stuff's pretty expensive, but it regenerates cells. Really cool. So if you guys have any questions, you can DM me, and we can go from there. Thanks, guys. bulksupplements.com.